Hey people, welcome to my video on this new game I got, TearDown. This was recommended to me and I just want to have a little play around with it in this video. Enjoy. I love how everything is pixelated and these graphics are insane. Wait, what is this? Whoa, it's lifting me up. Fridge yaoa ea. This game got extremely good graphics. Just quickly destroying my bed cause I wanna sleep in broken wood. This is my car, obs, it's so vintage. Time to escape my warehouse prison. Let's escape this place forever and ever and ever and ever. Wow, we got some bright sunlight. What are all these boxes doing here? They are annoying me so much. I wanna snap this weird washing line hangy thingy. Car. Wait, actually it's a van. Oops. Look at my sick driving skills. They see me rolling, they hating. I'm out. Time to become Dora the Explorer. Why does this feel so much like a rage room? It's fab though. Let's escape this place forever and ever and ever and ever. Why did I only just realize the name of the warehouse is Lakel, like Raquel, hehe. Hang on, I think I remember how to use a torch. Give me a sec. Let there be light.
shut up and drive.
Oops, I'm gonna crash into the pole thing, whatever. No, I killed the van, my baby. Haha, broken toilet. Thanks for watching, people. Bye.